Hello everyone. Welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning administrative assistant resume, and we'll go step by step using a complete real example. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section is important, what you should write, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is an administrative assistant resume? An administrative assistant resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to organize, support daily office operations, manage schedules, communicate effectively, and keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Employers are looking for someone reliable, detail-oriented, and efficient. So your resume must clearly show your organizational skills, multitasking ability, and how you contribute to a productive workplace. Now let's break everything down step by step. Check this out. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here's the full sample. Olivia Bennett, 2745 Cedar Ridge Lane, Phoenix, AZ 85016, United States. Phone, 6025551934. Email, olivia.bennett@email.com. LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Olivia Bennett. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, and it should stand out clearly at the top. This is your identity, so make sure it's easy to read and professional. Next, include your address, or at least your city and state. This helps employers know your location and availability. Then, include your phone number and a professional email address. Always use a simple email with your name. Avoid nicknames or anything informal. Finally, include your LinkedIn profile. For administrative roles, LinkedIn helps show your experience, connections, and professionalism. Tip: double-check all your contact details. If employers can't reach you, you may miss opportunities. Professional summary. Next, we move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Detail-oriented administrative assistant with over 5 years of experience supporting executives and managing daily office operations. Skilled in organization, communication, and multitasking, with a proven ability to improve efficiency and maintain smooth workflows. Proficient in office software and committed to delivering high-quality administrative support. Now let's break this down so you know exactly what to write. The first sentence says, detail-oriented administrative assistant with over 5 years of experience. This introduces who you are and your experience level. Always start strong like this. Next, supporting executives and managing daily office operations. This shows your responsibilities and the level of support you provide. Then, skilled in organization, communication, and multitasking. These are key skills every administrative assistant must have. After that, with a proven ability to improve efficiency and maintain smooth workflows. This shows results, not just skills, but impact. Finally, proficient in office software and committed to delivering high-quality administrative support. This highlights technical ability and professionalism. Tip: keep your summary short, about 3 to 4 sentences, but make sure every sentence adds value. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample. Office administration, calendar and schedule management, data entry and record keeping, customer service, communication skills, time management, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, document preparation, filing and organization. Problem solving. This section gives a quick snapshot of your abilities. Notice how the skills are clear and easy to scan. Recruiters often spend just a few seconds reviewing resumes, so this section helps them quickly understand your strengths. For example, calendar and schedule management shows organization. Customer service shows communication with clients. Data entry and record keeping shows accuracy and attention to detail. Tip: always match your skills with the job description and only include what you can actually do. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample. Senior Administrative Assistant, Bright Core Solutions, Phoenix, Arizona. April 2021 to present. Managed executive calendars, scheduling meetings, appointments, and travel arrangements. This shows responsibility and organization. Managing schedules is a key task. Coordinated office operations to ensure efficiency and productivity. This shows that you help keep the office running smoothly. Prepared reports, presentations, and correspondence for senior management. This highlights communication and documentation skills. Handled confidential documents and maintained organized filing systems. This shows trust and attention to detail. Improved office workflow, reducing administrative delays by 20%. This is very strong because it shows measurable improvement. Assisted in onboarding new employees and coordinating training sessions. This shows teamwork and support. Now the second role, Administrative Assistant, Sunrise Medical Group, Phoenix, Arizona. June 2018 to March 2021. Provided administrative support to a team of 10+ staff members. This shows teamwork and workload, answered phone calls, responded to emails, and handled customer inquiries. This highlights communication skills. Maintained accurate records and updated databases regularly. This shows attention to detail. Scheduled appointments and managed office calendars. Again, organization skills. Enhanced customer satisfaction through professional communication. This shows impact and results. Now the third role, Office Assistant, Valley Business Services, Phoenix, Arizona. January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted with daily office tasks, including filing, data entry, and document preparation. This shows basic administrative experience. Supported staff with administrative duties and clerical work. This highlights teamwork. Organized office supplies and maintained inventory. This shows responsibility and organization. Helped improve document organization and retrieval processes. Even at entry level, showing improvement is important. Tip: always use action verbs like managed, coordinated, prepared, and include results when possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Associate degree in Business Administration. Phoenix College. Graduated 2015. This section confirms your academic background. Keep it simple and clear. Degree, school, and graduation year. Technical skills. Next is technical skills. Here is the full sample. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Drive, Outlook and email management systems. These tools are essential for administrative assistance. They show that you can handle documents, spreadsheets, communication, and daily office tasks. Tip: only include tools you're comfortable using. Key achievements. Now let's look at key achievements. Here is the full sample. Increased office efficiency by 20% through improved scheduling systems. This shows measurable success. Recognized for outstanding organizational skills and attention to detail. This adds credibility. Successfully supported executive-level staff in a fast-paced environment. This shows experience and reliability. This section helps you stand out by showing your impact beyond daily tasks. Languages. Finally, we have languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, conversational. This section is especially useful if the job involves communication with diverse clients. Being bilingual or multilingual is a strong advantage. So to recap, a strong administrative assistant resume should start with clear and professional contact information. Include a strong summary that highlights your strengths. List skills clearly and strategically. Show experience with real responsibilities and results. Include education and technical skills. Highlight achievements that prove your value. Add languages if relevant. Remember, your resume should clearly show that you are organized, reliable, and capable of supporting a team and keeping operations running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching writing tutorials.